In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add suppliers in QuickBooks Online. Managing your suppliers efficiently is a key step in keeping your business finances organized, and QuickBooks Online makes it simple to track and manage all your vendor details in one place. Whether you're setting up a new supplier for the first time or updating existing vendor information, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add suppliers, customize their information, and keep your records accurate and up to date. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to create your account and start streamlining your business finances today. Let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Expenses and click on it. This will take you to the Expenses page, where you'll manage all supplier and vendor-related details. Once you're on the Expenses page, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled Suppliers or, in some versions, Vendors. This will open up the section where all your supplier records are stored. In the top right corner of the Suppliers or Vendors page, you'll find a button that says New Supplier or New Vendor. Click on this button to start creating a new supplier profile. Now, it's time to fill in the supplier's details. First, enter the supplier's display name. This is the name that will appear on your bills, reports, and other records, so make sure it's clear and recognizable for your business needs. If the supplier's legal name is different from the display name, there's a field for that too. Enter the legal name here to ensure your records remain compliant. Next, you'll add the supplier's contact information. This includes their email address and mailing address. Make sure these details are accurate so that you can easily communicate with them and send necessary documents. If needed, you can also include their phone number and website details. While these fields are optional, adding them can be helpful for quick reference in the future. Now, let's set the default payment terms. These terms will automatically calculate the due dates for bills from this supplier, saving you time and ensuring that payments are made on schedule. After that, select the supplier's currency. This is especially important if you're dealing with international suppliers. You can also assign a default expense category if applicable, which will help categorize transactions automatically when working with this supplier. There's also a notes field available for any additional details you'd like to record. Use this to jot down specific preferences, shipping instructions, or internal account numbers that are relevant to this supplier. Once you've entered all the details, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Double-check names, contact information, and payment terms to make sure everything is correct before saving. When you're ready, click the Save button. This will add the supplier to your list and complete the setup process. To verify that your new supplier has been successfully added, return to the Suppliers or Vendors page. You should see their name listed among your other suppliers. If you ever need to update their information in the future, simply click on the supplier's name from the list to open their profile. Make any necessary changes, and don't forget to click Save again to ensure your updates are applied. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add suppliers in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.